Hi there. My name is Mr. Hughes, and I'm going to be one of your teachers this year. So, if you don't already know me, I want to tell you the top 5 things that you should know about me. So, first and foremost, I am a math teacher here at Achievement House, and I'm actually starting into my 9th school year with the school. So, I've been around for a little while. So, how did I get here? Well, I started here right after I graduated from Indiana University of Pennsylvania, which is actually in the town of Indiana in the state of Pennsylvania. Kind of confusing. I got my bachelor's degree in math education. So I got a degree teaching me how to teach math. Then I decided to go do a little bit more. So I got a master's degree from an online school called American College of Education. Got my master's degree in something called instructional design. And I'm also really close to completing another certification program so I can be a principal. So what's interesting is that I've also been a cyber school student. So I've kind of walked in your shoes a little bit. So whenever I'm not glued to my computer, I do like to watch sports. I am from the Pittsburgh area, so I do like watching the Pittsburgh sports teams, which is a lot of times watching them lose, but every once in a while they pull out a win. I also like to watch Netflix or anything that I can stream. But whenever I need to get away from all the screens, I do like to play board games, and I actually enjoy woodworking and also just being outside and being active. I have 2 children and a dog, and they all keep me very, very busy. But maybe the most important thing that you need to know about me is that my goal is to help you beef up your math skills, apply it to the world around you, and help you be successful in this class. So, what will we be talking about this year in this class? Well, that's a great question. So up here you can see a big list of the things that we're going to be talking about from the start of the year right up through the end of the year. And you can see there's a pretty wide variety of topics. One word that you keep seeing popping up here is fractions. A big part of what we're going to be talking about is fractions. Now, we're not just going to dive right into what are these numbers, what's this line in between them. We're going to work on understanding how fractions can be represented visually. So those of you that like to draw pictures, this is going to be your jam. We're also going to be taking a look at different types of shapes called polygons. We'll be talking about angles and the angles that are formed with these polygons, triangles, quadrilaterals, finding area. We may do a little bit of finding volume as well. We'll also talk about probability and percents and also do a little bit of plotting points as well. So what should you do if you ever need help? Well, chances are from the time you watch this video until the end of the school year, you'll probably need help on something. Now, you don't want to keep that quiet. You want to make sure that you reach out to me for help. As you can see, I like to think I'm a pretty nice guy, pretty easy to work with, and I love working with students. That's why I'm a teacher. So how do you get in touch with me? Well, you can hit me up on my cell phone. You can call or text me at that number, 724-422-3213. Or, if you prefer written communication, you can send me an email at thughes@achievementcharter.com, or you can also send me a message in Schoology using the message function right in Schoology. Now, all of this information is also posted on our course page, so you don't need to memorize it right now. You can always access it, but it might be a good idea to write it down right now, just in case you ever have a tech issue or an internet problem and you can't look it up. That way you have it handy.